Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset all of your settings. So you'll want to have the vehicle on, and then we'll wait a few moments for this to load. And we're going to be using these controls right here, basically right or left to scroll, and then up or down, and after that. So I'm going to just keep scrolling right with this button until I get to this screen. And I'm gonna scroll down. So down, we'll just keep going down and down until we get to factory reset. And then we will push enter. And then you just scroll up to yes. And then you would push enter again if you want everything reset to factory settings. I don't particularly want to for this model, but that would be all we have to do at this step is push enter. So I'll just scroll down to no since I don't want to do that. But otherwise, I hope this video was helpful and hope you have a great day.